An object is a result of looking at something which in itself has no quality or charm. I pick something which in itself has no meaning at all. In the early days in Paris when I first came over and I passed by a hardware shop and I saw a flat iron in the window, I said, there's an object which is almost invisible. Maybe I could do something with that. What could I do? To add something in it that was provocative. So I got a box of tacks. I glued on a row of tacks to it to make it useless, as I thought. But nothing is really useless. You can always find a useless even for the most extravagant object.